Back in the kitchen. Anyway, quick on early morning smoothie you can have in the morning for filling up your tummy and detoxing your body, weight loss and all them thing there. But anyway, I'm gonna give you a few tips and ideas what you can do with this beautiful drink in the morning for your breakfast. Honestly, it works, and it works for thousands of people, and it's still working up to till today. Please enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I'm always giving you the best recipe in this whole entire world. So nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I got all of my ingredients. Grab yourself a pen and a piece of paper and start to write down things. All right, first thing, I have half of a pear right here, which I'm going to be using. All right, I'm just cutting up the pear like this and put it straight inside of the blender, just like this. I got some apple, and I'm using some red apple because that's what I have left over in my kitchen. You know what I mean? So anytime you have things that won't put on and use, this is what you can do. That is lovely and nice. I got 2 strawberries, which I'm going to be using. Also, lovely. I got a piece of a ginger, which I want to put also inside of it. Because me personally believe that ginger is very good. Ginger is like a medication in itself. You know? So you cut up a nice lovely piece of ginger and put it inside of it. Simple, squeeze rough about half of a lemon or lime juice inside of it, just like this. Yeah, and that looking good and nice. Now we're going to put some water inside of it. You know, just fill it up with rough about half cups of water to make the blender free as I blend it and goes along. Alright, you don't need to put any sugar or honey or nothing in it because the fruits alone have the sweetness. Now we're just gonna simply blend it for about 2 to 3 seconds. Alright, lovely and nice. Because remember, this is just a drink for you to have in the morning, because remember, you're going to work, so there's no time to muck about. You have to get yourself together and all them thing there. Lovely. So yeah, quick one in the morning for breakfast and all them thing there. And you can just bring it to work and drink it. So look at this. Look at that beautiful drink, guys. It is amazing. I must say to you, I normally use my thing. This is my superfood chisel seed. It's very, very good for you. It's very healthy, and it is a superfood. So normally, when I normally make my drink, them I normally just put a little bit on top of it. You know what I mean? Because it is just really good, and you can just mix in it as you drink it and goes along, guys. Hopefully you guys will find this one really fantastic and amazing, and enjoy the recipe. Subscribe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And as I say, we have a lot more recipe. A lot more recipe will be coming like this. Early morning healthy breakfast recipe for you guys. You know what I mean? Sometimes, you know what I mean, forget about the whole part fried food and stop a certain place and I buy fast food and all them thing there. Just make yourself a nice lovely smoothie in the morning, quickly like this, and you're good to go. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.